In the world of blockchain tech, keeping your crypto safe is your #1 priority. You guys know I love reviewing hardware wallets, and today I'm excited to unbox and review one of the most popular and affordable wallets out there, the Trezor Safe 3. Trezor is one of the most trusted brands in crypto. Launched in 2014, Trezor has been around for over a decade without any security issues or hacks, earning it a rock-solid reputation for reliability. The Trezor Safe 3 supports thousands of cryptocurrencies, including all major L1s. The wallet features an almost 1-inch monochromatic OLED display and a 2-button pad, which is how you operate the device. When it comes to security, the Safe 3 is equipped with an EAL6+ chip, one of the highest security certifications available. Certified under the Common Criteria framework, this ensures the device is highly resistant to sophisticated attacks. The Trezor Safe 3 is available in 2 versions: a universal wallet that supports all major cryptos and comes in 4 colors, and a Bitcoin-only wallet offered in a unique bright orange. If we compare Trezor Safe 3 to the Safe 5, the main difference is size. The Safe 3 is smaller. Also, Safe 3 doesn't include Gorilla Glass, vibration feedback, a touchscreen, and a microSD slot. But everything else, especially security, stays exactly the same. Both Safe 3 and Safe 5 models have the same secure EAL6+ chip and support the same cryptocurrencies. So if extra features aren't essential and your priority is security, the Safe 3 is a solid choice. Like all Trezor models, the Safe 3 sticks to the company's conservative approach. No Bluetooth, no batteries, and no unnecessary features. By skipping these extras, Trezor minimizes potential vulnerabilities and keeps your crypto safe. All Trezor wallets are X-ray safe and suitable for air travel. My favorite thing about Trezor is that it's fully open source. Both firmware and hardware repositories are publicly available, meaning the crypto community can audit and verify the security of the code. This transparency ensures there are no hidden vulnerabilities or backdoors. The Trezor Safe 3 is currently priced at $79. When ordering, make sure to buy directly from the official Trezor website. Use my referral link in the description so you will get the best price currently available. Plus, I receive a small commission from each sale. Thanks for supporting my channel. Now let's get to the unboxing. When your wallet arrives, double check the box to ensure it's sealed and hasn't been tampered with. If everything looks good, remove the security seal and open the box. Inside you'll find the wallet along with everything you need to get started: a quick start guide, Trezor stickers, and 2 recovery seed cards, 20 words each. The wallet also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Safe 3 has a screen protector and holographic security tape. Peel this off, and you're ready for setup. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. As always, check out my CryptoSnake deals page for the best discounts on crypto products, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you later. Banks are lame, they're real and valid, so my debit account's zero balance. Third finger to the mall, I don't feel a challenge. I'm a king with Bitcoin, sipping from the chalice.